premium boys.
So yeah, big shout out to Finding Nick, Fresh Kicks, Thick Whips, all the BMW YouTubers, man. Y'all definitely got me on the BMW wave. Love the platform, and this is a great car. You know what they call it, the ultimate driving machine. Gas at 369, 370, boy. Woo. I seen it higher though. Let's see what we can get. Go ahead and fill her up. 33. I'll take that. From having a quarter already in there. It's not bad. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this thing in Sport Plus because it's the only way to do it. Yeah. So with this being the M235i, we do get some of those M performance features, and trust me, you can feel it. Too crazy. Just a little pull for you guys. But yeah, this car, with it being lowered, it just sticks to the road. Like, when I downshift, I get those burbles. Let's see if you can hear this. Slow it on down. I love hearing that sound. It's a little pulls. I ain't gonna go too crazy. I'll wait for those mods, then we gonna start having some real fun. But yeah, she drives like a beauty, man. She runs, she can go. Like I said, gave a 5.0 some trouble. With how light this car is, it can in the right modifications, it can definitely be a bullet. Definitely. But yeah, definitely plan on taking this to a lot of car shows, especially as I modify it more and more, get more into the car scene. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun on this channel, guys. Just stick with me. We're gonna have a lot of fun. But when I get this downpipe and this muffler delete, oh my gosh, those pops are gonna sound like gunshots. Now I was debating very hard between getting this and a Z. I really wanted a Z because it's just the baby brother to the GTR, and the GTR is just, it's my dream car. And but I just like how you can modify the Z. There's so much stuff out there, and you can like make it sound just like a GTR. It's so crazy. You're just not getting that same power, of course. But yeah, like I said, thick whips, Finding Nick, M2 Ghost, fresh kicks, man. The boys put me on to the BMW gang for sure. Like, it's a hard platform to go wrong with, and this has the N55 engine, so it's already a great platform. And then you can go ahead and just start tricking it out even more. Like N55, yeah, definitely a good engine to go with out the gate. I do wish my downshifts were a little bit more aggressive, but hey, it's all right. Maybe with that that downpipe and the muffler delete, maybe those downshifts will be a lot more aggressive. That's one thing I really like, a downshift, a good sounding downshift. I love that. I love that sound. You guys like that? Let me know. I feel like V8s definitely have a great sounding downshift. V8's best downshift sound. Now, I've heard a 370Z and a GTR downshifting, like getting off the highway and they downshift, and it just sounds mental. Like, it's insane. Definitely want a car that sounds good. Like this car, to me, it sounds okay right now. You know, I get those burbles, get those pops, but the exhaust note, I want it to be a little bit more terrifying, if you guys know what I mean. I'm not even gonna tell y'all the fastest I've been in this car, because I know my mom is watching. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you think. Are you excited for this to be a car channel? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. As always, take care of yourself, take care of each other. Peace and love. I'm out.